YouTube, and we back with another video. Little midday POV on the highway right now. Got baby girl in the back. Say hi, Zuri. Zuri. Say hi. Yeah, we about to go to out Fort Washington. My cousin Xavier going away party. Shout out Xavier, man. It's really good. I know you can continue to strive, do the best you can, be the best you are while you in college, man. Anyway, man, we about to get a little pulls in. I got my watch on today. So I'm just like, yeah, once everything clear up, I don't like really cutting up while she in the car like that. Cutting through traffic like that, so I'll be waiting for the lane to open up. I might give them a couple pulls here and there. Yeah, I'm chilling, man. I'm gonna catch y'all. We get a little bit of space, or when we get to like I don't gotta get no gas or nothing. She already got snacks. I might just catch y'all when we get to the cookout, man. YouTube, I told y'all we'll be back. I got a little bit of roll. I'm about to put it in sport. Drop these gears down. Traffic, man. About to get off anyway. Like that 5.7, man. Finally opened her up. I can't do this traffic, y'all. I'm gonna hit y'all. We get on 50 or something. God damn. YouTube, man, we back. I ain't recorded the cookout, but yeah, I'm about to give y'all a little pull right quick. Seems like there's nobody coming right now. A little pull. Definitely louder, man. I don't know if the wind is in the way. I'm about to go grab me something to eat. I showed up too late. It's kind of what, not scraps, bro. Scraps just don't sound good, really. But it wasn't a lot left to eat. So I gotta go grab me something to eat right quick. But I don't know what I want. Hey, I've been on halal hard, bro. Like the Indian halal with the rice and the rice, the lettuce, tomatoes, with the lamb and the chicken, the white sauce, green sauce, red sauce, all that. Yeah, I've been on that hard. Like real hard. CVS. We over here by the harbor, y'all. Out there staying. Don't crash out. Don't crash out. Look, two of them. And what's that? It's a cat? Might be a scat. Should go follow the ass. I got baby girl with me, man. She got a TV, but she's choosing to go on the tablet. Only my daughter, man. Multiple screens. Yeah, but I'm about to figure out what I'm about to eat and catch y'all by when we get there.
Like me. That's like my double cup. Rings on like me. Set your pink barcode. First class flight seat. That's how your life been. Who back is your life in?
Can't even really see because of the tent. Traffic just picked back up for everybody. Out of there. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get some food, man. Hey, YouTube. Man, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm still getting new to this. I ain't show y'all the spot. Got my chicken and lamb over rice. Hey, bro, I'm still new to this, y'all, bro. I ain't recorded. I knew I just need to just keep the camera rolling. That's why I need somebody with me. Somebody with me all day to just record. Stuff be going down. My daughter funny. People I be around funny stuff, crazy stuff, drama. No, just regular life, man. Turn this light off. People looking in. As y'all see, I'm about to be home in 9 minutes. Slight pull for y'all, man. Let me jump in there. Yeah, I'm gonna go in the house and crush. And probably, I don't think I'm gonna play NCAA. I'll probably play Call of Duty. Yeah, I'll probably play Call of Duty. Other than that, I ain't on nothing for the rest of the night. It is 9:44. I ain't bet tonight. Hey man, Judge hit a homer. Otani, Juan hit one. Soto. Everybody needed. Trey Turner hit. I got one leg last night. Had a 5 leg. 50 to 350. I needed Trey Turner for a hit. I don't know why I added it. Just a simple jump. I should have went Bryce Harper. I should have went Gunnar Henderson. And comment down below if y'all be getting one leg, bro. That one leg hook, that hurts even worse than like losing $1,000 or some wild shit, bro. When you lose by one, that shit hit the soul. I'm just trying to rap it, y'all, man. I'm trying to get used to this shit. I'm not used to talking to myself. To clip all these joints together, put it through the night. Yeah. I'm about to start doing it, man. I'm gonna give you an intro. I'm gonna start doing thumbnails and all that. I'm about to really stop bullshitting. This one in general in life, man. Like, you really just gotta stop bullshitting. A lot of things that we want to do, we want to accomplish in life, and we put it off to the next day, or I'm gonna do it next week, or I don't have this, I don't have this, I don't have the proper utensils, I don't have the right people around me. I don't live that life, man. It doesn't matter. If you want something, you're gonna go get it. You're gonna do what you gotta do to get it. I wanted this truck, bro. I did what I had to do to go get this junk. So that just goes to tell you, whatever the fuck you want in life, I'm sorry to curse you, but whatever y'all want to do in life, you can do it. Don't put it off. Don't let nobody discourage you into doing it. I'm rapping right now, but yeah. I'm gonna catch y'all.